Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add a local user account on Windows 10 using Settings app. For this, click on this one Start button, then click this one Settings, click this one Accounts, click this one Family and Other Accounts in the left sidebar. On the right, under Other Users section, click on this one plus icon that says add someone else to this PC. Then click on this one. I don't have this person's sign in information. Click this one link. Click this one link. Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now name the user. Type a password for that user. Re-enter the same password to confirm it. Now select security question and answer them properly. You need to select at this three security questions and answer them. Then click on this one next button. This will add a local user account on your Windows 10 PC.